Imagine not knowing where to go to when you need the help the most for your mental health. And imagine that you do want the help, but you can't afford to get the help that you need. Today we are talking about tackling the mental health crisis in America within young adults and adults, and how we could help them with their mental health issues. And we're going to start by talking about how before the crisis in America, before the pandemic in America, mental health wasn't as bad as it is now. But now, after the pandemic, COVID-19, there's many people that are in need of help, and there's many people not knowing where to go or what to do and how to start to get help. We are in lack of resources. We are in lack of professional healthcare providers, and lack of centers, mental health centers for people that can't afford mental health help. And today we are talking about how we could tackle these things and how we could be an ear for that friend that doesn't know where to go when they do need the help. Pause. The big problem that we have is those that want help and go to seek help, there's no help for them. So us as communities or as individuals or family, friends or anything, we should be able to go to the higher ups or whatever and be able to tell them, like, we need more resources, we need more affordable places for these people to go, we need more advocates for mental health, because without that, there's no hope in our future. Meanwhile, there's no places to really go to for these people that's looking for help. There's also a crisis not a crisis, but there's a problem within finding mental health crisis lines that would help them. And there's also so many people that are going through mental health problems and scared to get the help because they are in fear of being judged by others or people around them. It's kind of hard dealing with these problems in America, or actually experiencing things with the people around you, because you see that they are going down a spiral of a mental health problem and they don't know what to do. The reason I'm bringing this to your attention is because the crisis has gotten worse, and there's many young people out here lost. There's no guidance for these young adults, and there's really not people looking out for other people. We have to support each other to get better and get through the future things that are in front of us. Think about the millions of people who go to look for help at a mental health place, and they have to wait months until they can get the help, so they can see if their insurance is qualified, or either payments are going through, or even on a wait list because they have many people in front of them. We need many more centers. We need more therapists. We need more communities to be involved to help these people. So what happens to those who can't get the help that they need? What happens is those people feel as if they are hopeless and they have nowhere to go to or no one to talk to, and the suicide rate eventually will go up because those people are lost and not knowing what to do. Support needs to happen on many levels. I'm talking about individually, from communities, and just us going to our representatives of our cities or things and demanding them, not just telling them, demanding them that we need more resources for people with mental health. When we support each other, good things can happen. People get better, and they are they are achievable and can pursue better, happy lives. Some people may say that people need to help themselves, but it takes a community, it takes a union, and it takes everybody to come together to help those in need. After talking about the effects that mental health have on our our young adults and our adults, the first thing we could do is really just talk about it, get the issue done, and talk about what we could do to help. The second thing we could do is demand our representatives that's above us and tell them that we need more resources The third thing you can do is put into action to help each other actually take this into consideration and help those defeat their mental health problems. The weight that people carry on their shoulders can equal up to the amount of the weight of this bowling pin, which is very heavy. If you have a loved one that is going through any mental health type or anything that's going on, just be a listening ear and tell them to seek help. Well, not tell them, convince them to seek help, and also try to be there to support them through their mental health journey. And also, if you could go apply to be a counsel person or whatever, to make sure that you do your part in your community to help those in need. And thank you for this opportunity to present how I feel about mental health, the mental health crisis in America, and us trying to tackle it. And us working together will help the world and help a better future for us, our children, and our children's children. And thank you.